Carlinnhall is the first housing development within the Dundalk 2020 Sustainable Energy Zone. It comprises 234 units, including apartments, duplexes, detached and semi-detached homes.
My name is Carlinnhall from Bioenergy Power Systems. We're a district heating contractor for this development here in Dundalk. A sustainable housing development is an environmentally friendly way to ensure a reduced energy consumption and a high level of energy efficiency. We have a government initiative called the Dundalk 2020, and this project is a pilot project for that, to show that district heating is a very effective way to deliver heat and hot tap water to the consumers. This system works on a very simple principle of a two-pipe network connecting each house to a central boiler plant. The central boiler plant consists of a biomass boiler and a series of circulation pumps. The water is heated in the boiler and circulated in the pipe network to every house. In every house there is a heat distribution centre which consists of a heat exchanger which transfers the heat from the primary side on the network to the secondary side inside in the house. This enables the house to be supplied with heat and hot tap water to an unlimited extent. The district heating system is very minimal. It occupies very little space in the house. There's no hot water cylinder, for example. You have no gas or oil boiler. You have no fuel tank for that boiler. The district heating system then delivers heat through a heat exchanger to the hot tap water and the heating side. We get involved with the architect at the initial stage of the development, and we do a preliminary sketch of our pipe rounds. The pipes are then located in the foundations when the foundations are being put in. In general, they go inside the exterior wall of the house, so it's very little piping inside the house. And the heat distribution units in each house, which are no bigger than oil or gas boiler, are located then on top of those network pipes in the house. Our efficiency is increased because of the central system by over 50% compared with conventional solutions of oil and gas, and the cost for the consumer is substantially decreased. This development has been supported by SEI under the House of Tomorrow programme. The House of Tomorrow programme grant aids developments that increase energy efficiency and sustainable performance in the buildings. Some of the features that we've incorporated from the House of Tomorrow programme here in Carlinnhall are extra insulation, 150 mil on external walls and roofs. We have triple glazed windows, and we have a district heating system. The level of support funding will cover about 30% of the total investment cost, which means that the district heating is very economically viable. After the development, Bioenergy Power Systems will act as the energy service company, providing energy to each consumer. This means we will take care of fuel supply, maintenance and operation of the boiler, and ensuring supply of heat at all times to the consumer.
The new building regulations and requirements for energy rating certificates to be issued with each new build will mean that more and more developers will have to go down the road of sustainable housing if they want to be able to sell on their houses. Sustainable development will no longer be an option but a necessity. Carlinnhall is an example of some of the design, planning, technical and financial issues that developers need to consider.